Easy Drain is an amazing shallow dig, flexible, gravel-free soakaway system. It's so easy to install. Simply dig a trench and lay down the Easy Drain pipes. They just clip together. Then just cover the Easy Drain over with topsoil. You can clip together as many branches and junctions as you like. An Easy Drain also fits into manhole chambers, allowing an easy connection to your septic tank. Easy Drain is not only really easy to install, but it also comes with a lifetime guarantee, allowing your wastewater to soak away simply and naturally. For more information, just click the link below this video or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.